The next-generation SpaceX Starship prototype exploded during a test at the company's development facility in Boca Chica, Texas, reigniting concerns about the high-stakes nature of experimental rocketry. The incident took place during a static fire test, a procedure where engines are fired while the vehicle remains anchored to the ground. Moments after ignition, the Starship was engulfed in flames, followed by a loud explosion that shook the launch complex and sent debris flying in multiple directions. Footage of the explosion quickly surfaced online, showing the massive stainless steel rocket becoming engulfed in a fireball. SpaceX has yet to release a full statement, but early reports suggest a possible engine malfunction or fuel system failure. Engineers on site had cleared the area prior to the test, so there were no injuries reported. Still, the explosion represents a setback in SpaceX's ambitious timeline for deploying its fully reusable launch system. This particular Starship prototype was part of a series of ongoing tests aimed at refining both engine reliability and structural integrity. SpaceX has used a test-fail-learn approach for years, often emphasizing rapid iteration over perfection. While explosions are not uncommon during early-stage testing, each failure brings both public scrutiny and valuable engineering insights. The Starship program, designed to carry humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, is central to SpaceX's long-term mission. NASA has contracted SpaceX to use a version of Starship for its Artemis program, which plans to return astronauts to the lunar surface later this decade. With such high expectations riding on the vehicle, each mishap becomes both a headline and a lesson. SpaceX founder Elon Musk has previously noted that testing failures, while dramatic, are essential to progress. After a previous Starship test flight exploded midair, Musk tweeted, "Success comes from what we learn." That philosophy remains consistent, though the financial and reputational stakes continue to grow as the company approaches more critical launch windows. Critics argue that the pace of testing may be too aggressive, risking public safety or regulatory delays. Supporters, however, view each failed test as a necessary sacrifice on the road to revolutionary spaceflight. What's certain is that the explosion will prompt a full investigation, and likely some redesigns, before the next Starship takes to the stand or the skies. Despite the setback, SpaceX is expected to continue its testing campaign, with multiple prototypes already in various stages of construction. If history is any guide, today's fireball may light the path to tomorrow's successful launch.